Okay, just another example of what we're doing. I really do want you to do a quick pause, only unpause when you're ready to check this right now. Okay, so hopefully you have what you think is right. So let's see what we have here. We've got the situation. I'm always looking at the question to see what my variables need to be. Right? I'm supposed to find the cost of a pound of bananas. I don't know what that is. That needs to be one of my unknowns, one of my variables. I'm going to let B be the cost of 1 pound. Oop, that's supposed to be an LB. 1 pound of bananas. And a pound of orange. I don't know that either. So now here's the thing. I don't want to use O for oranges. You can, but I don't like to write O because it looks like a zero. I'm going to use R instead. Really, which letters you use doesn't make any difference. So if your letters are different than mine, then that's okay. Okay, so the trick this time is to look at what we have going on. So I've got two sales that I'm dealing with. Last example, it was looking at how much protein there was and how much sugar there was. This time it's looking at how much did Risha spend and how much did Rimsha spend. So equation one is going to be, let's do Risha's first. So for Risha, the money that she spent on bananas plus the money she spent on oranges is the total money that she spent, right? Okay. So how do we know how much she spent on bananas? Well, Risha bought 2 pounds of bananas. So it's 2 pounds times how much it costs per pound, which we don't know. So 2B. With the oranges, Risha bought 4 pounds of oranges. So 4 pounds times the cost per pound is the total orange money that she spent. And so put that all together, she spent $7.04. There's your first equation. So we have an equation based on Risha's spending, the 2 pounds of bananas and the 4 pounds of oranges for $7.04. If you didn't already have that, I want you to do a quick pause and write Rimsha's equation. Then we can check that. So for Rimsha, it's going to be the same basic idea. How much money did she spend on bananas? Well, 3 pounds of bananas times the cost per pound. Add that to the amount she spends on the oranges. So 3 pounds of oranges times the cost per pound. And her total ended up being $6.21. So in both cases, we had to recognize that the total money spent was the banana money plus the oranges money. And the way you find the banana money is the number of pounds times the cost per pound. And same for the oranges, number of pounds times the cost per pound. And for today, again, that's enough. Just writing the equations is what I want you to be able to do. Talk more about how you can then solve that system of equations in the upcoming days.